Hey everyone, so what's going on with Shiba Inu? Be sure to smash that like button. You might not notice a lot of YouTubers not talking about Shiba Inu as much this week, and I'll be explaining everything and what's going on with Shiba Inu overall this month. So if you want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button and I'll keep you guys updated with more news. That's all I'm asking for. I'm not gonna shill you anything. I'm not gonna tell you anything good or bad. All I'm gonna ask for is subscribe and like. That's basically the only thing I want. If you can do it, great. But let's start a video. 20,000 new investors in May, which is kind of a lot for crypto, especially during the bear market. It's a very big amount. So what's going on with it? Why is Shiba Inu still down there? You guys, something really, really important with SHIB that is going on right now is it's a frightening time. It certainly is a frightening time to be a Shiba Inu investor, judging by recent market trends. Like, Shiba Inu has been getting a terrible decline, triggered massive losses as SHIB price declined by much at 60% in the month. Our new Shiba Inu investors appear to be calm amidst the storm. In the last 16 days, 20,000 new addresses have been added to SHIB portfolio amidst the market decline. This means while the whales might not have picked up Shiba Inu, we are still seeing some potential. We're still seeing some strong potential for Shiba Inu. And according to CoinMarketCap, the total number of unique addresses holding SHIB rose by 220,000% since the start of May to its price time value of 1,161,000. Not only the bulk set increase came last week after SHIB's price fell by another 40%, tagged its lowest level in over a year. With lowest of the low. This is the lowest it has ever been. And is it gonna the lowest? It's gonna be well, something is very frightening. And I mean, when I saw this graph, it was very concerning, especially because the whales, they're not here. If you look this is the top whale activity here. It was just before a crash or during the crash, and bam, May 16th, no whales at all. Maybe 150 whales out of top 1,000 show transact SHIB. Like, look at this. They only transact when Robinhood gets listed and things like that. Otherwise, they're very, very quiet. They're either sleeping or they're not trading SHIB. New investors entering the space was a good sign. What about whales? When did SHIB's life support come in the times of distress? And right now, the whales that have been helping us are not here anymore, or they are sleeping. It doesn't mean that they have gone. It doesn't mean that they have sold their bags. It could potentially mean that they have done something else, that they have, kind of moved on and are waiting for the bear market to be over. So who knows what exactly happened with these whales, but something very important to know is, where do these whales go? Well, new investors entering the space was a good sign. What about whales? What did SHIB's life support in times of distress? All-time whales did initially seem to share the same enthusiasm as new investors. Their activity was not as consistent. The chart showed that the whales were reluctant to add more SHIB coins in the past few days as transactions declined drastically. Furthermore, Shiba Inu's social activity, mostly lackluster last week, suggested that hype trading would continue to be low unless a major announcement is dropped this week. The same could curtail SHIB's price action going forward. So where does the disparity leave Shiba Inu? Well, hovering around 45, SHIB's near-term bias was still bearish neutral. Lackluster response from whales and low social scores could likely offset any sentiment arising from new investors entering the SHIB space, and hence these expecting a SHIB rally based on recent findings might have to taper their outlook. So it's just not there. We're seeing the worst year for SHIB, worst time of the year for SHIB, but hopefully it gets better. Shiba Inu is worth 1/7 of what it used to be. And since the start of May to its price value, we still have many holders. We still have Shibarium. This doesn't change anything. But again, where have the whales gone? Have they gone off sleeping? I'm still bullish though on SHIB. Don't get me wrong. SHIB's near-term bias was still bearish neutral, and while, it could go down a bit, it says it's basically going to stay the same. But anything could happen to Shiba Inu. Again, Shiba Inu was just being stable, and then it exploded. So that's why I'm not losing hope on this coin. But you can see a lot of us influencers, we have been talking about Terra because Terra has affected Shiba strongly. It has affected the whole market, and a lot of people have been burning tons and tons of Shiba. But without a good market, those burns will only come later on. So maybe some people burned 5 million, and when Shiba Inu grows, those tokens will be worth 200 million. That's what's really important. By the end of the day, these whales, they're still around. But if you want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more crypto news. Peace, everyone.